It's quite unfortunate because the process has been going on well. The process was started very well. Everybody enjoys the accreditations and the even voting process. Everybody enjoying it. All of a sudden, we just discovered that some hoodlums just came in and disrupted the process.